You know the topic for today, right?
Yes, right.
Yeah. Okay. Um, are you a tech savvy person?
If I say yes, I am, and we are also like
Yeah.
right. Currently, we are talking through technology.
Through technology, yes, absolutely right. So, which is your favorite gadget? Which one would you say?
Favorite gadget? If I say my favorite gadget is laptop
Why?
because in laptops I am working. I am working at home as of my for my company.
Mm-hmm.
So laptop is convenient to carry to anywhere, to any places.
Mm.
So so it is easy to carry, easy to use that
Absolutely.
gadget.
Right,
So
right.
that's
Absolutely, I agree. It's yeah. I mean, like you said, no, you can take it anywhere, use it anywhere.
yes, right.
Yeah, that's okay. That's a good one. And usual question: do you think technology is a boon or a bane? Why?
Technology is a both situation, is
Mm.
a boon also and as well as ban.
Mm.
Boon also, like if we use technology in positive consequences, like
Mm.
we are using that cutting edge in our daily life, in like helping to society,
Correct.
helping to other peoples also. So it's a boon, for like it's a positive aspect. But
Mm.
if we misuse this technology, mislead this product,
Mm.
these gadgets, like we are harming to other people.
Mm.
We are harming to other people through this technology. There are many examples. If I say, like if it's a negative consequences,
Correct.
negative
Correct.
consequences, like if it's a ban. And but in a positive consequences, if you say, like it's a boon.
Right. How has it made your life better?
Technology, like it makes a better life for me. Like right now, I want to learn English speaking through a long time. But that time, technology is not developed so much. So it's means we go means I went to physically to class, or
Right.
to somewhere. So it takes a lots of times and
Correct.
efforts.
Correct.
So nowadays it's easy to right now I want to learn English speaking through over the world. So we
Mm.
can connect through technology. We can connect to any person over the world. We
Yes.
can connect also. We can work with them. We can make relationship with them. Anything, it is possible, and it is easier through technology.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Do you think that children get used to technology easier and faster than we do?
Yes, right. Because children have a very sharp mind. Means it catch very quickly.
Correct.
Why? Because children have no responsibility and no negative side. Means we are younger. We are getting younger. Then we have lots of responsibilities, and also we are like thinking mode. Like what will happen tomorrow? What will we do tomorrow in future? That kind of question in our mind all time. It is going. So children is more adaptable and easily of technology, because it's easily adaptable and easily. But for me or for us, actually, it's getting take too little time to grab this technology gadget.
Very true, very true. Yes. Okay. Uh, Recently, which gadget or which piece of technology did you see? Anything, any latest release or anything? Are you aware of anything like that? Did you
If
go?
I recently, if I say like recently, I use a
Mm-hmm.
smartwatch, and it's like a very good. It gives me a like smartwatch and also a iPhone. One of my friend, he one of my friend has iPhone. So I used that for iPhone. iPhone has many features. Like iPhone has all bells and whistles. So
Yeah, that's a good
I
one.
iPhone has all bells and whistles, so that we can use we can use easily. We can
Correct.
use easily and faster way. And for my actually, I am using like smartwatch.
Hmm.
It's smartwatch gives me a the smartwatch has a cutting edge with using the many many advanced technology, many advanced activity, means it's observing the activity of mind, that
Correct.
what is the blood pressure of mind, blood rate, and heartbeat, like
Hmm.
that. And also measuring, also it is measuring like step walking distance.
Yes.
So that thing.
Okay, so that is your favorite. I mean, or the latest thing that you have
Yes,
seen.
latest.
Okay. How different will our lives be if we had not had technology at all, or had technology not developed at all? How would our lives be now?
If technology if technology is not developed, then it is means we will go very we will go in a slower process.
Ah, right.
We will go in a slower process. Nowadays, if you see, like we are means in 2016, when Geo released that internet,
Hmm.
that that time internet boom. Internet was going boom. Why? Every YouTuber, or if you say like every means new every person
Hmm.
has opportunity to
Correct.
express themselves by acting, by singing, by any personality they have, they
Hmm.
are using through this technology. But
Hmm.
it is going faster. If you say like 2016 until now, it's like boom. That through technology, it's boom actually. So it is very important. If technology is not there, then okay, we will develop. India will develop. It in a slower process, slower pace. So it is, and we like before technology and after technology. If I say before technology, we are going to school or colleges physically. We are if we have we had any queries relating any topics,
Hmm.
then we need to wait. We
Hmm.
need to wait to 1 day or 2 day or like more days to
Correct.
connect with my teachers. But
Hmm.
nowadays it is so much easier
Hmm.
to connect to our teachers also. Like we are also connecting, that if I need, if I have a queries right now, if we connect like it's around 15 minutes, but after
Correct.
15 minutes I have lots of queries, then I will connect to you, next day, or some someday. So it is easier. After technology, it's like it's booming, and but before technology, it's like we are we will grow, but not so much faster
Not
than
right.
after technology.
Okay. Which technology do you think will replace humans?
Nowadays, it's trending AI, and it's like, for example, AI is automated uh, automatic electric vehicles,
Hmm.
because electric vehicles is because it is good, it is healthy to it is good, and it has advantage like
Hmm.
decreasing pollution, like we will go to any place in means easier way, and in a fast way,
Hmm.
because it's automated.
Correct.
So electric vehicles is going on, and also there are lots of robotics man-made, like man before robotics, like man made like cars, manufacturing that cars, or
Hmm.
like some candy, like manufacturing type. So
Hmm.
nowadays man-made means a robotics replace man-made works of like in the manufacturing company. These two are
Right. Now, since you've told us that we have become so dependent on technology, can you tell me five pieces of tech that you cannot live without now?
five pieces of text. First is if I say laptop.
Okay.
Second is uh, internet, can we count?
Okay. Why not? That's also under technology. All right.
Actually, without internet, we can't
I
survive
know.
right now. So internet is third thing is smartphone.
Smartphone.
Yes.
Fourth.
Fourth thing is like we I'm living alone, so I'm using for making food. It's induction.
Okay.
So it's easy to single people or living alone, independent. So induction is easy to cook.
Right.
Induction. And fifth thing, mm, I don't have any idea.
No
Fifth
idea.
thing, no
Okay.
idea.
I would probably go in with TV, I guess.
Yes, TV,
Entertainment.
but through smartphone we can use anything.
Okay, yeah. That's also there.
Nowadays we are not using. If I say like scooty, actually
Hmm.
this also a gadget. Actually, nowadays we are using. I'm also using a scooty to go one place to another place easily.
Very good. Yeah. Yeah, that's also a technological advancement.
Yeah.
Automobiles, all of that.
Yes.
Have you ever been interested in robots?
Yes. Sure.
Have you ever seen a robot?
No, I don't. I don't see robots, but I see. I means not physically, but I see through the TV and through the internet or social media,
Hmm.
that how much robots will change our life.
Yes.
But yeah, I know it will change, but it will means there are lots of advantage or disadvantage, both are available.
Yeah, correct. Right. Do you think that a washing machine can be called as robot?
Yes, right.
Why?
Because nowadays it's autumn. I am using the washing machine, like if I have like lots of clothes to wash, then
Hmm.
automated washing machine nowadays, that washing machine, it is going to dry, wash, and also it will going to wash also, it will going to automated dry and
Hmm.
spin. Granny spin means all the clothes, if it that clothes are wet, then it will automatic, it will dry
Right.
through the washing machine.
Yeah, correct. I haven't thought of it that way. Right? How would your reaction be if a robot took your place at work, replaced you in the company?
If if I say robots will replace many people, if you have if you have not that kind of soft skills,
Hmm.
that skills I am going to explain means I am going to say you that what are these soft skills. Number
Hmm.
one is communication, number two is people skills, number three is sales skills, number sales skill, and number four is no three these three are soft skills.
Right?
If you are a master in this,
Hmm.
and if robotics come in our like workplace and data, if these three is not replaced by robots, because
Robots.
these
Ah,
three is mandatory, it is it will done it will do by a human, by a human, not robots will do perfectly to communicate to, like, because robots have no feeling.
correct, correct.
We have a feeling, we have a like we build relation. Right now we are conversing each other, so we have conversing like with feelings, not like okay you are saying and I am saying okay, like still.
Yeah.
so so robots will not replace if you have like some kind of skills you are taking, and it's mandatory, because after 10 years it will definitely change. Means robots will take
Really did.
mostly job. So we have to develop these kind of skills nowadays.
I agree with you. Just a couple of corrections. I just quickly go through it. It is not helping to others, it is only helping others.